Hey guys, welcome back to Engine Garage, and today what I'm doing. So I'm going to tell you what I'm doing today. A couple weeks ago, after working the hatch, I stopped the camera, started working on the CRX interior, the red CRX. Salute. It's good. Hit like, hit share, subscribe, and I'll tell you more about it. I got a couple projects going on, but I got this guy in the background here. I got the parts that I needed for. I also have another part here for the hatch. Gone too. Yep, gone too. That, and look up how amount of parts that I have for that SI hatch. All this is for the SI hatch. And you're telling me, bro, you're wasting your time on this, what you can do in that? Well, guess what? This is the video, and I post video every other week, but it's already in my this safe, so you can jump on YouTube. So this was already pre-recorded, but I just want to show you something that, you know, I was restoring interior parts. This one. I restored the whole interior part on the CRX. Now I'm going to install it, and I'm going to do the other one. That's the video about today. But besides that, I want to show you something. Very personal of mine. I have some change coming to my channel. Hopefully you like them. Hopefully it's for the best. I'm still a Honda channel, 100%, but you're gonna see other brand of vehicle jumping in once in a while. With that said, I did brakes on my wife's car today, and I was not gonna record, but I want to talk to you guys about that. It's a big, for me, it's a big thing going on, you know. So I don't want to talk about it till it happens, and when you see it happen, I'm gonna post a video that says it's just happened. So with that said, I am. Once they start the video with a hit, like, share, subscribe. Hope you everybody like it. Thumbs up, subscribe. Watch more videos. I'm gonna restore the whole panels of the CRX inside. What I'm using to restore them is basically I'm using this, and that came out pretty dang good, especially when it fainted and all that. It's the same way that I use for the CRX here. Actually, I use with gloss on this one. The one is, this one's gloss too, and the one inside over there, I want to go flat. I want to go something different. With that said, hit like, share, subscribe. Probably the next video you're gonna see coming up, I believe, is Tony's car getting worked on finally. It's gonna be this guy moving over here, and I'll be able to put the car run back and forth. Put, you know, whichever you want to ride, put a seat on it, go test it for a test drive. I mean, that's not much to get done. And all right, guys. So, how do I restore this? very easy. I'm using one of these, and I'll put it in. Pull it out a little bit. Just want to take the grease out of it. I already did this one, just want to show you guys. And if I cannot get to the inside, I use this. Okay, and after you get it done, grab a rag, clean it up. Now, before you paint it, I'm using this. Believe it or not, this got some alcohol. It will take out any grease spots, anything that this has to hold back, mess up the paint job. Basically, I come back using the rag and everything. So we're in the freaking Florida desert. Everything dries up very quickly out here. So 2 minutes on that. Watch this. Alright guys, let me show you something. These, except that one, are clean. I just cleaned these two. Came out amazing, right? Right here. These two came out amazing clean. This one, I painted it. If you look at it next to it, this will even know the difference. Now, I'll show you the other ones. These, I painted. Look how amazing they came out. Came out pretty nice. This right here. It's dope. Backlit mirror, and that's the look that I'm going for that in there. Now I do have one that I had to put my hat on. Freaking hot. It's one of them that I had to take it to the backpack and scrub and scrub. And yeah, we got the big boy right here. So it's filthy inside, completely filthy. So I'm gonna start with this guy right here. Alright guys, so let me show you the difference between what I did. If you go down here, this is what I did. This is how it looks. See how depressed it looks? See? Now, painted that, painted this. I gotta retouch that. Painted the carpet. Look how beautiful that carpet came out. Now, I have to take it back out to this side, but I want to start cleaning up all this gut stuff like that. The point of having this car and restore it like that is because I want to give a second life to this car. Maybe somebody wants to buy it and restore it, but this is on my hands. I'm going to continue working on it in my free time, putting stuff away. Like right here, I bought the paint right here. Now I'm doing the whole interior. I'm gonna take this off, painted that. I'm gonna get new shocks, and I want to make the car to look 100% what it was before it happened to the car. If you didn't know, this car was flooded. When this car came here, the hatch completely was destroyed. I have it back there. Thank you, CRX. We have one. Jamie had one. This car interior wise came completely has everything that you need on this. The car runs. So I can't believe how good it looks. What I'm gonna do, not today because I ran out of spray can to do the interior, but I am gonna wash the interior. I'm gonna take the door panels, wash them off, clean it up, clean all the whole tire, put everything back. These seats don't belong to this car. They're too wide. I believe they're for a hatch. I do have seats that I want to put in here, and I have the brackets for them. So I'm gonna put it on later on. The red Ricardos, have them over there. That's it, guys. I just want to say thank you for watching, subscribing. This car wasn't flooded. Oh, if you don't believe me, this car was flooded. Everything you saw me washing is water, where the water came from. Water came to this car up to here. Up to here. Everything you see here, all this, is water came to it. But look. There we go. Right, this even have the original AC system on the car, but not over there, over here. Thank you for watching, subscribing, hit like, hit share. If you want to see more content about this car, the wagon behind me, or that one, hit like, hit share, subscribe, thumbs up. Now, have a good Sunday, or Wednesday, Monday, or Tuesday, or whatever day it is you're watching my show, my video. And people in New Zealand, thank you. Everywhere in the world, Gracias for watching my channel. See ya.